Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Roblox on 2 accounts at the same time step by step. Open 2 browser windows or run one app and one browser. Sign into each account, mute one account's audio to avoid feedback, join the same server or separate games, and use different input devices if needed. Monitor performance and adjust graphics settings to keep both sessions smooth for the best experience. Start by creating or verifying each Roblox account and enabling 2-factor authentication for security. Install the Roblox app and sign one account in there, then open a separate browser or a different browser profile for the second account. If you prefer isolation, use a lightweight virtual machine or sandbox to run the second session, and remember to allocate enough CPU and RAM, close unnecessary programs, and test input devices to ensure both accounts can play without lag. Quick recommendation: if you like helpful gear, check out these leak-proof meal prep containers I use. They make long gaming days simpler and less messy. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and tap the bell for more tips. I place the container link and other deals in the description so you can explore them. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Manage audio by muting one or routing sound to different devices to avoid echo and confusion. Monitor network bandwidth and close background downloads, and consider lowering graphics to reduce frame drops. If one session logs out, check for conflicting cookies or account locks, clear cache, or use an incognito window. For persistent issues, try restarting both sessions or using separate physical devices to separate sessions completely and keep gameplay stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.